how can someone improve their English? Like, if someone wants to improve the language, like if they are at any level, like if they are a starter, if they are intermediate, or if they are advanced also. So every stage has some learnings. So how can someone improve their English? How to improve the English language?
See, first of all, to improve English, you have to first of all, to improve your English, you have to do practicing. You have to do
Okay.
daily practice. You have to do
Right.
practice daily. Day by day, you have to learn new words, vocabulary. You have to learn grammar. You have to learn. You have to make a paragraph. Then you have to read it. Then you have to write it. You have to do practice, just like this.
Right.
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 In this way, you can improve your English. And there are many
Yeah.
techniques. Okay, you
Mm-hmm.
can do telephone conversation. You can
Mm-hmm.
do to your friends and family. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and
Absolutely.
can do
Mm-hmm.
you can write some essay. You can
Mm-hmm.
write on some topic also. In this
Mm-hmm.
way, you can improve English. But it depends on you. If you are doing daily practicing, then you are able to speak good English at 1 month or within a 2 months, within a 3 months. It depends on you. It depends on you how you are uh, learning, right?
Right. 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 So like practice is the key. You need to repeat every day, each and every day. Repetition is the key, and yes, repetition is the best teacher where you can improve anything in your life. Coming to
Yes,
communication, if you're repeating and if you're practicing on daily basis by speaking to your friends, by creating that paragraph or creating essay or whatever it is. So if you keep on practicing on daily basis, surely we can improve the English language, right?
for English, right, right. So it depends on
Absolutely.
person how he or she is learning, right?
Right, right. It depends on person to person, like how they are, like how much keen interest they are having, how daily they are preparing, how daily they are practicing, and how much they are repeating. Right?
Yes, and I am suggesting that
Uh huh.
think about that activities which you do in your daily life, which you do in
Right.
your daily routine, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that you practice well. If you are doing whatever you are doing, whatever you are watching around you, if you are watching at your room, there are
Mm-hmm.
dressing table, dining table, so use English word. If you are beginner, then use English words. Mostly you use English word, then you are able to speak good English, then you know vocabulary, then you know what to say uh, in English, anything in
Right.
English.
Right. So like we should start thinking in English. Like if we are in the room, so like if we are seeing something around us, so we should start thinking that in English, right? So then
Yes,
that's how we'll get the words. We'll come to know about the new words, and we will form the sentence with that right vocabulary, with that right grammar, right?
right, right. And always think in English. Whatever comes in your mind, think in English. What to say this? What is this?
Absolutely.
Yes,
Absolutely. So thinking like what we do know nowadays, so whichever our is mother tongue, we keep on thinking in that language. Whatever is happening, we think in that. So if we start thinking in English words, like suppose if I wanna go, whatever is my schedule today, whatever is planned. So if I start thinking in English, so it will definitely help us. It will definitely improve our English also.
yes,
So
yes.
yeah, that's really very good. That's really very good. We should always start thinking in English. So, Vaishali, my next question would be, is it important to learn English, or why should we learn English?
We should learn English because English is the most spoken language. Okay, it is an
Right.
international
Hi,
language.
Kenny. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Keep going.
Yes, yes. It is an international language and it is
Mm-hmm.
used in business, it is used in science, it is used in technology.
Mm-hmm.
So English is a common language.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Everywhere you go, you see people speak English. That is a common language.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
If you learn English, so there are many opportunities around you also.
Right. Right.
You can get job easily, right? Nowadays,
Mm-hmm.
in the competition world, what is going on?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The paper which consists of English, in which you
Mm-hmm.
have to in that part also. If you do not pass in that part, you will be failed. in exam. It is going
Right.
on.
Right.
In
Right. Right.
competition world,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
in every exam there is one portion of 50 marks, or it is of 100 marks. English will be there. It is very compulsory in every exam.
Yeah,
So
it's a must. It's a must language, and everyone has to pass it.
yes, yes,
So
and it is
yeah. So it's
learn,
yeah. Tell.
and it increases your educational opportunities also, right? If you are
Yeah.
learning
Yeah.
English, then you can get any job. Okay, in corporate
Definitely.
world
Yeah.
there is a platform of English. People
Right. Right.
know English. They communicate in
Mm-hmm.
English.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
So like yeah, I want to add something over here. Like English is a must. We should learn English because like as you told, there are huge opportunity, and nowadays even in jobs, they want candidates who can speak in English, who can talk, like who can communicate well in English, because communication is a must. And as you told that communication, English is the language which is accepted worldwide, and it's a language which maximum people know. Thank you, Bhavesh. Thank you for that comment, means a lot. So yeah, and in coming to the job, it's a must. We need to know how to speak in English. We need to put ourselves in front of interviewer to communicate well, so that they hire us. So yeah, coming to that, like yeah, English is a must. We need to learn English. Apart from it, like see, you can always speak in your mother tongue. You can always have that another language which you can learn. But if you want any opportunity, if you want any good opportunity, so you should have this English speaking skills also, right?
yes, yes.
Good.
No,
So
it is also
my
language, media
next question
and
would be
internet. It is
your
all
like
yes.
yeah.
It is also the language of media and internet. So learning English is very important for socializing, entertainment, as well as for work also. Right?
Right,
It,
absolutely. Correctly said. Agreed. Totally agreed.
and it depends on
So,
person also what he or she is doing in their life. Right? It depends on
hmm,
person what kind of job he is doing, what kind of work he is
right.
doing. So everywhere is not English important, but English is must nowadays. English is very
Yeah, it's
important
a
nowadays.
must. Right. It's a must. It's a must. Like we all should know English, like how to speak English, and it's like it's not that hard to learn English. You can always start speaking in English. Like how you learn
Yes,
your
yes,
mother tongue. The same goes with the English also. You can learn English in the span of like 2-3 months if you are consistent. And as you told that if you practice daily, if you are repeating
it's
all
not
the thoughts, repetition is the
listen,
teacher.
and
Yeah.
it is not hard. Just you have to need practice and
Right.
guidance of mentor or teacher. Some guidance of, then you can speak easily. It is not very tough.
Yeah, it's not tough. It's not that tough. Like because many people fear that I don't know to speak in English. I don't communicate well. It's just that limiting belief which they have on their mind. They need to just start speaking to the world, speaking in English. Let's whatever thoughts they are getting, make sure that they come like you think in them in English. So it will definitely help them. So
Because
my
they,
next
yes, yes.
yeah,
Because they
you were telling
don't have
something.
words, they don't have words in
Hmm.
their mind, so that they
Right.
are unable to speak English. Right?
Hmm.
If they have,
Right.
if they have some basic knowledge of grammar, how to make sentences, how to speak, so they are able to speak. And if they don't
Hmm.
have, can't speak.
Right. Thank you everyone whoever have joined. Thanks a lot. Means a lot. Stay till the end. And my next question would be like the last question. Is it necessary to learn English?